Okay, hey guys, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to replace your fog lamps, which is H11 with the new one. If you want to put the LED in there, apparently I put the LED in there, LED lights, but it doesn't really work for me because I have these messages and I hate to see them all the time whenever I'm just popping the key in.
So there is two ways to fix that problem. The first one is going to be cut out the actual message from the dash. The coding piece is going to be the separate video, and you can check how to do it. And I also have another video how to install the software, which is pretty easy. Anybody can do that. Only you need the Windows-based laptop and basically the cable. And the second one, buy more expensive light bulbs, which is the LED one, but with extra capacitor, which is gonna like trick your system, and the system not gonna be showing you the actual message.
Simplest way to do that: remove only one fastener right at the corner. You go in with the steering and go your wheels all the way to the left. Then you pop in that screws in there, and basically pull the actual shield back, and straight behind you're gonna see that fog light lamp. Apparently I got connected something else to it, and there's extra wire. As you can see, mine had that LED one. I also ordered the different type one, which is telling me, basically it's been telling me it's not gonna have a message if I'm gonna install it, but apparently it does have a message. I'll try to install them both to the front, the new one. Open the key, pressing the button. We're not gonna start the car, and we'll check for the messages. Pressing the fog lamps, info source info, left fog, front fog lamp malfunction. It's pretty bright, it's working, and it's working okay. So let's pop the puppy back. Let's slide it inside. It should fit as nice as the original one. Got a little rubber gasket in there. You gotta wiggle a little bit to find that actual spot. Twist it back, and now we got it different. In the daytime, it's not really visible, but the left one, apparently that one, the passenger side, is yellowish, and the driver's side is kind of pretty bright. But it looks good. So we're gonna put this stuff back, gonna replace the second one, and basically we'll start coding. And I'll see you in a laptop.